तो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे आज योर क्रॉस बाय 14 स्टेप प्रिंसिपल्स के बारे में इन टीक्यूएम। तो फिलिप्स बी क्रॉस बाय जो चेयरमैन ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ फिलिप्स क्रॉस बाय एसोसिएट, उन्होंने एक इंटरनेशनल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग फर्म प्रपोज 4 एब्सोल्यूट क्वालिटीज। फर्स्ट, क्या क्वालिटी था पहला? In terms of definition, quality is conformance to requirements and not goodness. Quality is conformance to requirements and not goodness. And second one, system. In system, prevention, not appraisal. And third one is your performance standards, that is zero defects and not that close enough. There are fourth, measurement, price of non-conformance to requirements, that is cost of quality and not quality indices. तो बात करते हैं क्रॉस बाई proposed a checklist with 14 points which would facilitate to facilitate the introduction of continuous improvement. And there are first is, that is management commitment. Make it clear that management is commitment to quality, specify management's stand and strategy on quality. Second one is the quality improvement team. From quality improvement team with representative from each department. And third one is the quality measurement. Determine the status of quality throughout the company. And fourth one is the cost of quality evolution. In this, stabilize the cost of quality to indicate where corrective action will be profitable for a company. This one is the fourth point, that's the cost of quality evolution. First one, the management commitment. Second one is the quality improvement team. Third one is the quality measurement. And fourth one is the cost of quality evolution. Fifth one is the quality awareness. In this quality awareness, create quality awareness at all levels in the company for raising reputation of the company. And sixth one is the corrective action. In this corrective action, take action to correct problems identified through the previous steps. This was the sixth step. And seventh is zero defect planning. In the zero defect planning, stabilize an ad hoc committee for the zero defects program. And there are eight is a supervisor training, a train supervisor in order to measure their participations and performance in the quality improvement program. Next, ninth is the ZD day, that is zero defect as the performance standard of the company is stabilized in 1 day to provide emphasis and long lasting impression. And there are 10 is the goal setting. In this, encouraging individuals to stabilize improvement goals for themselves and their groups. 11th point is the removal of error causes. In this, individuals are encouraged to describe any problems that keep them from performing error-free work, and the appropriate functional group will develop solution of these problems. And there are 12 is the recognition. Recognize and appreciate those who meet their goals or perform outstanding work. 13 is the quality council. Stabilize quality councils to communicate regularly and determine the action for quality improvement program. And question 14 is the do it all over again. Do it all over again to emphasize that the quality improvement programs never end. These are the 14 steps in this. First is the management commitment, second is the quality improvement team, third one is the quality measurement, fourth one is the cost of quality evolution, fifth is the quality awareness, sixth is the corrective action, and seventh is the zero defect planning, eighth is the supervisor training, and also a GD day, that is zero defect as the performance standard of the company is stabilized in 1 day to provide emphasis and long lasting impression. And another is that Goal setting and encourage individuals to stabilize improvement goals for themselves and their groups. Next 11 is the removal of error causes, that is individuals are encouraged to describe, communicate any problem that keep them performing error free work. And 12th is the recognition, recognize and appreciate as those who meet their goals or perform outstanding work. 13 is the quality councils and 14 is the do it all over again. अगर हम इसको टेबल के माध्यम से समझते हैं, वन टेबल दैट इज स्टेप्स, 14 स्टेप्स, प्रिंसिपल एंड फोकस। यानी मैनेजमेंट कमिटमेंट की बात करेंगे तो क्वालिटी कमिटमेंट पे फोकस करेंगे। क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट टीम, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्वालिटी, क्वालिटी मेजरमेंट इज द टारगेट सेटिंग। इस तरह से मैनेजमेंट फर्स्ट था हमारा मैनेजमेंट कमिटमेंट, क्वालिटी कमिटमेंट, क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट टीम, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्वालिटी, क्वालिटी मेजरमेंट, target setting, cost of quality, evaluation, poor quality consequence, quality awareness, companies quality culture, corrective action, defect prevention, zero defect planning, quality planning, supervisor training, training and education, zero day and zero defect day is the reward for the quality, goal setting, that is quality levels, and error cause removal is the quality problem solving, recognition, that is quality improvement, quality council, that is continuous improvement, and do it all over again, this is the company quality quotient. These are the principles and their focus. फिर से मैनेजमेंट कमिटमेंट, क्वालिटी कमिटमेंट, quality improvement team, structure of the quality, quality measurement, target setting, cost of quality evaluation, poor quality consequence, quality awareness, company's quality culture, corrective action is the defective prevention, zero defect planning is the quality planning, supervisory training is the training and education, ZD day is the rewards for the quality, goal setting is the quality levels, error cause removal is the quality problem solving, and recognition is the quality improvement, quality councils, and do it all over again, this is the company's quality quadrant.